Good morning, everybody. Another day of hard work in central London, driving towards the work. Let's have a look inside the building. So, this is the restaurant where we are removing the old underlay and old carpet, which were stuck down. So, this was a double stick method, which we call it dual fade. It was quite hard to remove it, and some places it was easy. And there's 3-4 of us trying to scrape everything off, and then once that's done, we're gonna scrape it up to a point where it's nice and smooth and clean, dust free. So everything is backed up, and it was a mess. But that's what we are there for, to clean the floor, remove the old carpet and underlay, and then scrape everything to a point where we can scabble it and spin it with a buffer or spinner machine. There are 2-3 names for this. So this will smooth out the substrate and the subfloor, and then after that we are going to hoover it to make sure it's dust free and clean surface. We've done some hygrometer reading. There was some relative humidity above 75, so we had to put dapm membrane, which is a rapid curing resin. This will seal the subfloor. There is no damp and moisture coming through the subfloor. This is a basement in a restaurant. So you trowel it on with a knot trowel, and then roll it on, make sure there is no pinhole. And once that's done, you leave it to dry for 8 hours. And this is the doorway, so we're doing a little bit thicker here, whatever was left in the bucket. And there we go, that's done completely. So leave it for 8 hours to dry, and when we come back next day, we will do a neat primer. This is the primer made by Ultrafloor, done diluted, and use the primer neat. And once the primer is dry, we will do latex leveling compound, and we are going to mix it now. That's the latex leveling compound made by the same company, Ultrafloor. So this one is very flexible. It's called Ultrafloor Renovation Latex Leveling Compound. So it's simple, mix it and trowel it on. We had to apply it between 10 to 15 mil. The substrate was very rough and uneven. And then once the latex is troweled on, then you can use a spiked roller. The reason we use spiked roller is so it gets rid of the trowel marking as well as any air that's trapped underneath the latex. So when you come back in the morning, there's no pinhole. Right, that's done. It's quite dark in here, so the light is very dim. Let it dry for another 8 hours. It's looking nice and smooth. That's the surface we would like to see. Right, another day is done, so we'll come back tomorrow. There we go, good morning, another day. All the preparation is done, so we're going to scabble and spin the subfloor latex leveling compound if there is any trowel mark and roughness, so that will smooth it out. Right, this is the carpet. This is some sort of Sisal carpet, so it's not a normal carpet, very expensive. This is made in Spain, so yeah. Again, there's not great light in this restaurant as it's the basement, so we're cutting the factory edge. So yeah, this Sisal carpet is made in Spain, and we're using F3 glue, so that was the company and manufacturer advised us to use. Very thick and solid carpet, very hard to cut. So we laid the main sheets and just doing some cutting to the areas, and you wet lay the glue, so when you use F3 you just lay it straight on top of the glue. So that's the joint. We butted the joint, so it was quite easy, and as you can see, it's quite hard to bend, and we use this carpet cutter, very nice for someone who is a beginner, so you can use that. So as simple as that. Job is done, and let's go and have a look. That's the doormat, and this is the area where we did all the installation. Roll it across, so this is 68 kg roller. We use it all over, so make sure it's stuck well down, and the client is happy, we're happy. Thank you very much for watching our video. Subscribe to the channel. Bye bye.